Hi everyone, it's Eliza and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get TikTok famous. So if you clicked on this video you probably want to know how to be as famous as I am. Obviously I'm very famous, as you can tell. I don't really know why I'm filming this video. I think it's just because like TikTok seems to be getting bigger at the moment, and obviously because everyone's on lockdown they've got a lot of free time on their hands. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of how to get TikTok famous, because who doesn't want to be TikTok famous these days? So I've got 5 or 6 different tips just to help you get TikTok famous, but yeah. Some of them you may already know, but like others you may not know. So let's just get onto the video. So my first tip, which is probably one of the best tips that I can give, is to follow the trends. Just because by following the trends you're probably more likely to get on the For You page, and that's probably the main things that has got me to 11k. I would say it is a lot easier when you've secured like your first 200, 300 followers, just because when you get that amount you know that you have about 5 or 10 people who are going to watch your videos and are going to like your videos. That doesn't seem like a lot, but then if your video gets on the For You page, when you post trending videos you're going to get more likes ultimately, because you've already got 10 people that are giving you likes, and then there's going to be more people that are going to like your videos. So overall, just by following the trends and just using trending sound, it's just more likely to get on the For You page. But if you're not actually doing it to get a following, then obviously just do whatever. I actually didn't expect to get the amount of followers that I have on TikTok. I don't know how I've managed to get it. Now my second tip is to post regularly. If you are posting regularly, there's more possible videos that will be on the For You page, and there's more possible videos for people to see. So ultimately, the more you post, the better, just because more people are going to see your videos. So like I said, I don't really use TikTok that much. I post on there maybe like once a fortnight. I just kind of post whenever I feel like it. But if you want to try and get big on TikTok, I would recommend maybe making 1 video a day. Now I know that seems a lot. I just think that posting regularly is really good, and if you get on the For You page a lot, people might start recognizing you, and then you'll probably gain followers that way. Now my next tip is to have good lighting. That's really with anything, not even just with TikTok. You need good lighting if you're doing anything on social media, just because if you have like a really good video but you have bad lighting, it's just going to kill the video. And if you spend a long time making that video, you might as well just have good lighting just to improve it. You can use lights if you want to, but I just think natural lighting works well on TikTok. Normally using window spaces works well. Like going outside, obviously at the moment you can't really go outside, so maybe go to your back garden, but just find where good lighting is and use that. I feel like this is a bit of a strange one, but use expressions. Now that sounds really weird, but by using expressions it kind of just makes your TikTok more interesting. But to be honest with you, if you're just making a TikTok and your face is like completely the same the whole way through, it's going to be a bit boring. Obviously this isn't that major. I'm not saying change your expression like every 2 seconds, but if you're going to make the video, at least smile once in it, or just do a few different things. I don't know, but if you just do a couple different expressions, that would work. Nothing major really, I just think it makes a better video, but that's just from my experience. Now my next tip is to be creative. Make your own sounds, just do whatever you want. So obviously you can follow the trends, but also you can try and make the trends. So I'd say if you have a slightly bigger following, then you can start trying to make trends, just because then other people could use your sound as well, and maybe your followers can use your sound. But just be really creative. Now another thing with being creative is finding your niche. Now obviously it's TikTok, so you don't actually have to pin down on one niche and then just stick with that the whole way through. I do think it helps if you have a niche, because then your followers will be into what you're into. So say if you're into fashion, then post fashion posts. If you're into dance, post like a lot of dance content. If you like comedy, post a lot of comedy, just so your followers know what you're all about and it's not just all over the place. Now my last and final tip is timing. Now this isn't compulsory, because you can post TikToks whenever. But then if you have a time when you're going to post, your followers know when you're going to post, and you know when you're going to post, and it's not like you're posting irregularly. Now you don't have to do this, but I just think it's good, because ultimately your fans will then know that you're going to post at this time, and a few of them might even go onto your page and watch your TikTok just because you've told them what time you're posting on TikTok. So overall, by doing all those things on TikTok, you should effectively get somewhere or get kind of big on TikTok. It may not work, but that's the best things that you can do to support that. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below any future videos you want to see from me. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!